Hello everyone, welcome to another demonstration. This is about setting in which folder our works in RStudio and R will be saved. So that is actually called working directory. So for setting that, let us start from the very beginning. Let's say we have opened the RStudio for the very first time. Normally you can expect this kind of interface when you open it. So normally when we try to script our codes, that means when we start working, we normally open a new file, which is possible from here. You can click here, new file, and then click R script, or you can go to file, then open new, and then new document or something like that. Okay, so that will create a new R script or our document, and here we will actually do all the works. At first we need to see what is the current working directory. To see what is the current working directory, we have to use the command getwd. Remember, the commands are case sensitive, so getwd within bracket. Then because we are not doing it in our console, we are doing it in the R script, so we have to press Ctrl Enter in our keyboard, and we will see the result in our console. You can see that our current working directory is users slash Mohanuddin, but that is not our intended working directory. We want to set the working directory somewhere else. So for doing that, the first thing is we have to get the address of the working directory. Okay, so I'm going to create a new folder called rpract within the documents. So this is the new folder I have created in this address under users Mohanuddin documents rpract. Okay, you can create this folder anywhere where you want to have your working directory. So what you need to do, you need to right click on this folder where you want to set your working directory and then copy rpract as path name. This is the way you have to do in case your computer is a Mac. So copy the path name of this folder and then type the command setwd within bracket quotation mark and then paste the address of the folder where you want to set your working directory. After that, keeping the cursor on the line of this code, press Ctrl Enter. Okay, so in that case your working directory will be set here, and that is evident, that is shown on this bar of our console. You can see here it is within the documents in the new folder rpract. In case you want to check again what is your new working directory, you can again type getwd. You can execute this command by Ctrl Enter, and you can see our working directory has changed. Remember, we will always keep our codes organized, and we will add different notes and comments so that we can understand what these codes are doing. So if you start the code by the hash symbol, then R will not consider it as a code or command. That will be considered as comment or something. The RStudio will R will actually ignore whatever is there after the hash symbol. So that is useful for us. We can use this hash to organize our codes and also to keep notes about the codes for later use. So I am typing see the current working directory. Okay, so that will be one line break after that. Then again put a hash symbol, then set a new desired working directory. So this is a very good documentation, right? So now check if the working directory has been updated. Okay, so this is how we can organize the code. Now we should save the R script so that we don't have to do that again and again. So now you can see when you save, it is actually automatically going to the working directory. Okay, so I am going to save it with any name you want, but I am keeping the untitled name. Save. Okay, so this is how you can actually see what is the current working directory and what working directory, and set a new working directory of your choice. I hope that you have understood the process. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for watching.